Hello, this is me 3 years ago. This is me now, happy with life and with a lot of money, and all I have done is work online doing mini tasks, the best way to generate constant income. Take a look at my PayPal account, how much I have generated this month. I want to share a video on how to use the platform that helped me achieve it. Remember that this is about perseverance. That's how it's done. It's simple. Watch the tutorial below, and welcome to taskprofits.net.